If you've ever felt like tissue boxes can make a space look a little unfinished, this is one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference. This is a Kerastene square tissue box cover designed in a camel PU leather finish that instantly gives a more clean, modern look to any room. Instead of seeing a standard cardboard tissue box, this helps it blend right into your space as a subtle decorative piece that still stays completely functional. The material has a soft grain leather texture and is really easy to maintain. You just wipe it clean with a damp cloth, which makes it great for everyday use in bathrooms, bedrooms, desks, or even living areas. On the bottom, there's a secure velcro strap that holds the tissue box in place so it doesn't slip or move around when you pull tissues out. And when it's time to replace the box, you just open the bottom, swap it out, and secure it again. It's super simple and quick. Size-wise, it's made to fit most standard square tissue boxes, and it works really well in a lot of different spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, offices, even cars or RV setups. It's a small detail, but it really helps the space feel more finished and put together. So if you're looking for an easy way to upgrade everyday essentials, this is definitely a simple one to add to your space.